Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. I'm Nur Anis Umairah. So the purpose of this video is to show you the guideline or the steps how to use the Kahoot. So on the slides, I have showed how to log in or sign up to Kahoot. Now I will continue to the next step. After successfully log in, you will enter to the main dashboard. To create quiz, click on create button to right of the top to create a new quiz. After that, continue create the quiz based on the subject we will teach. And for now, I will just show you how to do a classic mode of quiz, which easy and simple for everyone to create. To create the quiz, just follow the template that Kahoot have provided and just insert the question and also the answer. After that, on the right, we need to insert the question type, the time limit, and also the themes of the question. And we can also set the points of the question. Next, after done doing the first question, the user or the teacher can continue make the new question as much as we want. Other than that, to put a picture, click the plus button on the center and choose the picture that we want to the question. Lastly, after done doing all the questions, click the save and continue button to publish. Next step, after publish the quiz, the teachers can start the quiz by click the host live. After click the host live button, you need to choose the mode of the quiz before click the start button. After click the start button, you will receive the pin of the quiz. Once you receive the pin, you need to give the pin to the students in order for them to getting in. While waiting for the participants, the teachers still can adjust the setting of the quiz right before starting the quiz. Once the participant or the students ready, the teacher can click the start to start the quiz. After all of the quiz are finished, the podium will pop out and show the result, who will be number 1, number 2, and number 3. Lastly, the teachers or all the users are able to see the session summary and the feedback from the students.